Good morning, traders. This is Curious Combo. It's Tuesday, March 18th, and very good morning for this interesting double top day. As you can see on our daily time frame, the DAX was pulled up heavily yesterday, following the S&P 500 and the Dow that are seemingly making the comeback from the correction territory that they reached after a few weeks downward momentum. The S&P 500 especially has rallied for a couple of days now upward, giving DAX this momentum shift on the top of the range here on our daily time frame. If you're new to the channel, this is my double stochastic strategy. Here on the channel we're using two stochastics overlaid on top of each other with values 66 for the slow one and 20 look back period for the fast one moving. We take our trades intraday using the 15 and 5-minute levels, but we take the overall market sentiment using the macroeconomic news and followed by the readings using the double stochastic strategy. We don't take our trades on the daily time frame. This gives us the overall sentiment, and after looking at the macroeconomic levels, we drill down to the daily most probable events. As on the daily time frame, the stochastic indicators are pointing heavily upwards following the US market moves. We have a look at closer to 3 hours and all the way to 1 hour, 15-minute and 5-minute levels. Today on the US economic calendar, there's nothing major. Tomorrow, Wednesday, the inflation reports will be out. So I expect again high volatility on Wednesday in the US markets. Here you can see on our hourly time frame, you can see some trades that I took yesterday, 15-minute and 5-minute. They look like this on the hourly time frame. Didn't have much time on the markets yesterday, but midday afternoon session, I had a couple of trades drilled down to 15-minute. They look like this. So these were my go-to moments in the market. 3:30, right when US pre-market was kicking in, I was in longing for good 30 minutes, and then followed by this move when the US markets opened at 4:30. It looks a bit sketchy here at the 15-minute, but we'll get a better picture what they looked on the 5 minutes, and this is why we trade the short time frame intraday. This was my long at 3:30 local time here. Clearly you can see how we trade. We take our positions when the oscillators are grouped together. And here yesterday I had a strong indication when both slow and fast one was pointing upwards, and sure enough, for 5 minutes to 30 minutes I was holding my position as I was seeing the price exhausting here after a good upward momentum. I'm using the Heikin Ashi instead of candle charts. Gives me more quieter and settled movements on the charts. So price exhausted, I let go of my position, and again, while I had the opportunity, the similar move came after a half an hour correction. It went up again for a quick sharp long position. I'm using semi-high leverage on these positions intraday, so it gives me the opportunity on entering and exiting within 5 minutes to 30 minutes instead of swing trading for days without any leverage, so I'll get the same benefits for shorter time period. If we look at our technicals, we can go back to the hour. Here you can see the double top, a massive double top that formed after the US bull rally, intraday bull rally. We're well within the range now, as we spoke yesterday about this higher end of the range, 23,484 basis points, and our bottom of the range is here at about 22,229. So still a ranging markets. Be aware that most of the traders lose most of their money in these kind of market conditions. So that's why anything can happen on intraday, on macroeconomic level, let alone over days and weeks. So you gotta be careful with these conditions. You can make decent profits intraday, of course, but this condition has been valid since pretty much Feb 19th. Big down, big up, big down, big up. In the 1 hour chart. And obviously on the 5 minutes there's been clear momentums intraday. So this is how we do it. This is how we make our money on the markets. Please leave me a comment. What markets are you trading? What is your favorite time frame? This strategy works on all time frames and all the markets. Have a look at it, try it for yourself, and let me know how it goes. Today I will be preoccupied with a bunch of other things, so I won't be looking at the markets today so much, but tomorrow will be a super interesting day, so we have a good time to have a chat here on the channel. Leave me a comment and let me know how this works for you. I'll see you tomorrow on Interesting Wednesday. You have a good one now.